So about the next question. For any positive integer n, prove that n cube minus n is divisible by 6. Divisible by 6. So what will be b? So let b is equal to 6. Is it? Which means a is equal to 6 cube plus r. So what are the possible remainders there? R can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is not possible just because R should be less than B. Less than B, which is 6 is here. So n is equal to 6 cube plus R. A is equal to n is it. So A is equal to 6 cube plus R. So n is equal to 6 cube plus R. So we know that where R is equal to 0. So what happens then? N is equal to 6 cube plus 0 or 6 cube. Is it? N is equal to 6 cube. Then R is equal to 1. N is equal to 6 cube plus 1. And R is equal to 2. N is equal to 6 cube plus 2. R is equal to 3. N is equal to 6 cube plus 3. And R is equal to 4. N is equal to 6 cube plus 4. And R is equal to 5. N is equal to 6 cube plus 5. Okay, so these are the possible things. So we know that what is P of n? What is P of n? P of n is equal to n cube minus n. N cube minus n can be written as n is common, is it? N is common, so you can write it as n square minus 1. What is this n square minus 1? Again, you can write it as n into n plus 1 into n minus 1. Or you can say, arrange करके, how can you write this? If you are arranging in a manner such that n minus 1 into n plus 1. It should be in a order. So that it will be easy to put on this place. So, first case, what is the first case? N is equal to 6 cube, is it? First case, n is equal to 6 cube. So what will be your n cube minus n? That is what already discussed as n minus 1 into n plus 1. Already we were found out that n cube minus n can be written as n minus 1 into n plus 1. How you got that already we discussed, is it? Yes. So that can be written as n is what is 6 cube. So 6 cube, and here it is 6 cube minus 1, and here it is 6 cube plus 1. Here you know that question is it is divisible by 6. So is there any 6 here? Yes, we have 6 into the 6, you can write it as 6 cube minus 1 into cube into 6 is already here, is it? Into 6 cube plus 1. This is in the form 6m, where m is 6 cube minus 1 into cube into 6 cube plus 1. Yes? Done. Next, what will you write? N is equal to 6 cube is already done. So next is what is? N is equal to 6 cube plus 1. So we know that n cube minus n. What is that? N minus 1. 6 cube plus 1 minus 1 is 6 cube. 6 cube into 6 cube plus 1 into 6 cube plus 2. Set. Where n minus 1, n plus 1. Is it? Yes. Set. Yes. Again, we have 6 as a common factor here. Q into 6 cube plus 1 into 6 cube plus 2. Again, it is in the form 6m, which is a multiple of 6, or where m is what is q into 6 cube plus 1 into 6 cube plus 2. So this is 6 cube plus 1 also, that is divisible by 6, which is n cube minus n is divisible by 6. And case 3. Next is case 3. N is equal to 6 cube plus 2. Is it? So n cube minus n क्या होगा? 6 cube plus 1, n minus 1, no? N minus 1 into n, 6 cube plus 2 into n plus 1, 6 cube plus 3. This how will you write in the form of 6 into n? It is a divisible by 6. How can you write? Again, 6 cube plus 1, that you can write it as the same way. Then, do you have any common factor on 6 cube plus 2? Yes, 2 is a common factor, is it? So 2 into 3 cube plus 1. Again, is there any common factor here on 6 cube plus 3? Yes, 3. 3 into 2 cube plus 1. Yes? So this 2 into 3 is what? 6. That put outside on that 6 into what is? 6 cube plus 1 into 2 is already out. 2 and 3 is already out, is it? Out of that bracket. So again 3 cube plus 1 into 2 cube plus 1. Yes? That is also in the form 6m. Again, next case, n is equal to 6 cube plus 3. So n cube minus n can be written as 6 cube plus 2 into n minus 1. If it is n minus 1 is 6 cube plus 2. So n is what is 6 cube plus 3 itself, and n plus 1 is 6 cube plus 4. So again, how can we take 6 as a common factor here? Again, 6 cube plus 2. What is the common factor here? Yes, 2. 3 cube plus 1. Into, what is the common factor here? Yes, 3. 2 cube plus 1. Into 6 cube plus 4. So 2 into 3 is again 6, isn't it? 6 into 3 cube plus 1 into 2 cube plus 1 into 6 cube plus 4. So again, we have a common factor 6 here. So that is also again 6m. Yes, like that you have to do what? 6 cube plus 4 and 6 cube plus 5 also. So we'll do that. So n is equal to, next case, 6 cube plus 4. So n cube minus n is what? 6 cube plus 3, n minus 1 into n into n plus 1, 6 cube plus 5. So how much it is? Again, you have a common factor here, which is 2 cube plus 1. Yes, common factor 3 here, is it? And 2 is here, 2 into 3 cube plus 2 into 6 cube plus 5. So how can you write? 3 into 2 is 6. 6 into 2 cube plus 1 into 3 cube plus 2 into 6 cube plus 5. Again, this will be equal to 6m, where n is what is this? Yes? Yes. And the last case, n is equal to 6 cube plus 5. So on that case, what you will write? 6 cube plus 5. Again, n cube minus n is equal to 6 cube plus 4, n minus 1, into n, 6 cube plus 5. And then 6 cube plus 6, is it? 6 cube plus 6. So again, we have a common factor here, is it? 6 is there. So 6 cube plus 4 into 6 cube plus 5 into 6 as a common factor, 2 plus 1. So again, 6 into 6 cube plus 4 into 6 cube plus 5 into q plus 1. So again, this can be represented as 6m, where this, what is this? So from this, we already proved that what? N cube minus n is always divisible by 6. Yes?